Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I show you how to configure a web server in Cisco Pocket Tracer. So let's start. First select PT router. Now select a PT switch. Add some devices like PC or laptop. Add 3 server. Click on the switch and turn off. And add this plug. Now on the switch. Now connect all devices with the switch. Now configure the router. First click on the configure and go to first Ethernet 0/0 and enter the IP 192.168.1.1 and turn on the router. Now off this box. Again open router and go to CLI mode. Press enter and type IP DHCP full net A and press enter network 192.168.1.1 and paste 255.255.255.0 and again enter and type a default router paste 192.168.1.1 and again enter and type exit and enter. Now successfully completed router configure. Open your devices and go to desktop and click IP configure and go to DHCP. Now show IP address on this device and the same process use other devices. Go to first server and click configure and rename this server DHCP. Open second server and go to configure and rename this server as a DNS. Now open third server and click configure and rename this web server. Now open a DHCP server and go to desktop and click IP config. Now enter the IP address 192.168.1.5 and type default gateway 192.168.1.1 as a router IP address and enter the DNS server 192.168.1.5. Close it and again open DHCP server, go to services, click DHCP and on the services. Now enter default gateway and DNS server. Enter the default gateway 192.168.1.1 and type a DNS server 192.168.1.5. Now open a DNS server, go to desktop, click on the IP config and enter IP addresses 192.168.1.6 and enter a default gateway 192.168.1.1 and enter DNS server 192.168.1.5. Now close it and again open a DNS server, go to services, click DNS and turn on the DNS services. Now open web server and go to desktop, click on the IP config and enter IP addresses 192.168.1.7 and enter default gateway 192.168.1.1 and enter DNS server 192.168.1.5. Now close it and I can open web server, go to services, click HTTP and click index and go to edit and remove this area. Now save this and close web server. Now go to DNS server, click services, go to DNS, type a name www.cisco.com, address 192.168.1.7, add and save this. Now open any devices, go to desktop, click web browser and type URL 192.168.1.7 and press go. Now we have successfully configured a web server. Hope you like this video, subscribe this channel and thanks for watching.